What can I say about King's Credit Financial? Besides that, they are amazing at what they do. They have a very at-home feel. They're amazing. Julie and her team have done more for me in the last year, helping me repair my credit than any other group out there. They are honest, hardworking, dedicated. They're upfront about everything, their costs, their fees, their plans, their layouts. And if you follow their plan, my credit score jumped up 100 points because of her and her group. If you follow her instructions, keep her words to heart, and do as you're told, you will see your credit score go up dramatically and quite rapidly in the first 6 months. I promise you. It takes time to rebuild credit. And with her help and her group's help, I promise you and guarantee you, with King Credit Financial, you will see your credit score skyrocket. I promise you guys. Julie, thank you so much. Thank you to your team because they found things and taught me things that I never knew. So trust me, her word is gold. Her trust is gold. Keep going, King. Keep going forward with King Financial, okay, guys? She's good and worth the money. See you guys later.